The next topic I shall be covering is the greenhouse effect. What is the greenhouse effect? The greenhouse Earth's surface radiates some energy back into the atmosphere as infrared radiation. Much of the infrared radiation doesn't immediately travel all the way back into space. Instead, it is absorbed by water vapor, carbon dioxide, with methane, and other gases in the air. The energy from the absorbed radiation heats the gases in the air. These gases in turn hold heat in the Earth's atmosphere in a process called the greenhouse effect. Greenhouse effects keeps Earth's atmosphere at a temperature that is comfortable for most living things over time. The amount of Earth's surface is in balance with the amount of energy radiation into space. So it is consistent, but human activities are altering this process. The use of greenhouse gases, aerosols, and cloudiness cause changes in Earth's atmosphere. The biggest known contribution to this is burning fossil fuels. We need to stop this. This started in the industrial era in 1750s, and it just needs to stop at this point. Because doing that releases carbon dioxide to the atmosphere, which majorly, changes the greenhouse effect. So, let's talk about this. The graph I have here. So, the energy goes in, and as we said, when it gets reflected back, some of it's reflected back and radiated back. Some heat is radiated into space, so that would be this arrow right there. Some radiated heat is absorbed by gases in the atmosphere. And the sun's energy reaches Earth represents this. And Earth's surface is heated, and then with the stuff that we said was radiated and reflected, some heat is radiated into space, some radiated heat is absorbed by gases in the atmosphere. So what is the big picture here? Probably the most important thing I just said here is the greenhouse effect keeps Earth's atmosphere at a temperature that is comfortable for energy for most living things. The process where much of the infrared radiation doesn't immediately travel all the way back into space. Instead, it is absorbed by water vapor, carbon dioxide, methane, and other gases in the air. The energy from this absorbed radiation heats the gases in the air. The process where these gases are in turn hold heat in Earth's atmosphere is greenhouse effect. That's probably the most important thing I said here. So, with all that in, let's wrap it up.